Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Google and the Gmail account for affiliate marketing. And because we are talking about Google, this is free and it is available worldwide. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, you don't need any special skills for this method. But you will need to invest some time and you will need to invest some work, because this method won't work unless you work. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find local businesses. To do that, you can simply come here on Google and type a local business. For example, let's just say Pet Shops San Antonio and then click search. And Google will give you a list of pet shops in San Antonio. Here you can see pet shops in San Antonio on Google Maps. And here you can see pet shop websites in San Antonio. But you actually don't need these pet shops on first page on Google. What you are looking for are pet shops on second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on page on Google, because 99.99% of people don't go further from first page. And that is why you will need websites, pet shops in San Antonio that are on second, third, fourth, fifth page on Google. So just scroll here and let's say, for example, third page on Google. And here you can see another page of pet shops in San Antonio. So for example, let me just open this one here, Wolfgang Bakery. And actually you will see that these websites look really nice. So it looks like these guys are doing a good job. They are making good treats for the dogs. And this looks like a good place to actually get a treats for your dog. But these guys are on third page on Google, and I'm guessing they are not getting that many customers because nobody actually knows for them. So what you can do, you can actually help them rank on first page on Google. So what you need to do, you need to actually contact them. You can simply scroll here on the bottom. Usually on the bottom you can see contact information, just like this. And here you can see contact email. So you need to copy their contact email and you actually need to send them an email. But before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below, because I answer all of the questions in my comments. So with that being said, let's continue. Okay, so now you need to send them an email and you can say something like this. I will leave you a link in the description to this script so you can use it and adjust it to your needs. And here you can see dear sir or madam, and here you can see what you need to say. And here you can see Pet Shop San Antonio. Now you can adjust this according to your needs. You can target different cities, for example, Pet Shop New York, Pet Shop Los Angeles, Pet Shop San Francisco, and so on and so on. And not just on pet shops, you can also target, for example, lawyer offices, real estate offices, dentist offices, and so on in different cities, like I said, New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Washington, Miami, and so on and so on. And when you scroll here, this is the most important part of this script. Now here you can see you are offering them to help them with their problem. Now by far best way to advertise anything is to actually show people how that works and how that benefit to them. Okay, and if they have any question, they can contact you and you will help them with all the problems that they have. And that is why it is best if you can actually buy that product and test it by yourself and learn how to use it. That is by far best way to advertise anything. So what you need to do after you have adjusted this script, you need to copy this. Let me just Control C. Okay, and then you need to go on your Gmail account and you need to paste that script here. Okay, Control V, and when it says here, click here. You need to add your affiliate link. Simply click here on this little chain and paste your affiliate link. Click OK, and that's it. You will add your affiliate link. And here, when you go back on their page, you need to copy this email, go back here, recipients, paste it here, okay, and then just click here on send and you will send them this email. And you need to go back on Google and you need to find more of these stores and you need to send this email to each of these stores on second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on page on Google. And you need to target different cities as well. Like I said, you will need to send quite a few emails, but trust me, if you send enough emails with this script, people will start buying that product that you are selling, because they all want more customers. And this is actually a win-win situation, because you will help these people to rank on first page on Google and they will start getting more customers, and also you will make money with affiliate marketing. So like I said, this is a win-win situation. But you are wondering right now, well, how will I make money? what kind of products I should advertise to these people, how will I help them to rank on first page on Google. So what you can do is you can go on Google and you can find SEO, search engine optimization softwares, and you need to do a research and you need to see which of those softwares is the best and which of those softwares actually have an affiliate program. Now I already did that, and this is one of the softwares, and here you can see get measurable results from online marketing. Do SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, and social media marketing from one platform. And here you can see some really big companies are using this software. And when you actually scroll down on the bottom, you will see that they actually do have affiliate program. And when you go on their affiliate program, you will see that they will pay you $200 for every sale that you make. They will pay you $10 for every trial, and they will even pay you 1 cent for every person who registered on a free account. So no matter what, you will make money. And I'm actually talking about SEMrush. And in one of my previous videos, I already showed you how you can use SEMrush to spy your competitors and how to outrank your competitors and rank on first page on Google and start getting free traffic. And after you actually register, you can come on your dashboard, and this is what is important for us in this method. Here you can see local SEO. So basically SEMrush will help these people to analyze their own website and see what they need to fix on their own website, and also it will help them to analyze their competitors and to see what they need to do on their website and off the website in order to rank on first page on Google, in order to outrank their competitors and to start getting more customers and to start making money. And like I said, this is a win-win situation because these guys, they will actually get more customers and you will make money from affiliate marketing. So this is a win-win situation. And you actually need to do this for all the pet shops in San Antonio that are on third, fourth, fifth page. You need to also do this for Dallas, for Los Angeles, San Francisco, Chicago, and so on and so on. And you also need to do this not just for pet shops, you need to do this for lawyer offices, for real estate offices, for dentist offices, and so on and so on. And the more emails you send, the more people will actually click on your affiliate link, and the more people will want to rank on first page on Google. And that means that they will buy SEMrush and you will make money. Okay, that is how this works. I know it takes lots of time and lots of work, but this method works. So this is how you do affiliate marketing in 2022 without website by using Google. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.